I want somebody to come dance with me and greet me as I sing Long Time Girl. Is that okay, Pickering?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
That's really good. That was really good.
This long time girl, me never see a weird song. See a weird song. Let's sing. This long time girl, me never see. Come let me hold your hand. This long time girl, me never see. Come let me hold your hand. Even jump cross it up my tree and pick on the blossom. Let me hold your hand. Let me hold your hand. This long time girl, me never see. Come let me wheel and turn. This long time girl, me never see. Come let me wheel and turn. Peel and jump cross it up my tree and pick on the blossom. Let me hold your hand, girl. Let me hold your hand. I need somebody else. This long time girl, me never see. Come let me walk and talk. This long time, yeah. Come let me walk and talk. Feel like jump from home. Let me hold your hand, girl. Let me hold your hand.
Baba, they might work, you know?
This long time girl, me never see. Come let me hold your hand. This long time girl, me never see. Come let me hold your hand.
Baba, they might work, man.
Thank you. Put your hands together. Thank you to my dancers. I appreciate it very much. And now the last one, I really require everybody to stand with me. Is that okay? No, who said no? Where the stone then? Eh? The last one.
Like up his scream, like up his scream, like up his scream. Sure, the live was gonna come in.
If you want to sing that song, Jamaican, if you sit down. It's not very Jamaican. Yeah. From my Trinidad sister. Pickering, sing with me. Yeah. I feel like jumping. I feel like moving. Lord, I feel like grooving. Lord, I feel like grooving. Sing la 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 la. Sing la 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 la.
My bad Baba, they might work, you know? What you have to say? Big up God, big up the community, big up life culture, how you mean? Good life. What you have to say, my Baba? What you have to say?
I feel like dancing. Yeah.
Well, I say that is it. Clock is quick. Sure up your life, people, sure up your life. When they out there, you know about this go code life.
I feel like dancing, like grooving. Lord, I feel like grooving. Lord, I feel like grooving. Sing la 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 la. Sing la 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 la. Sing la 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 la
I'm going to try to put it down.
Never leave without it.
Eh?
You should never leave without it.
Yes.
Alright, let's hear it one more time for Olivia Carter.
her beautiful attire.
Yeah.
And a little backstory on that. So the fabric that you see, the beautiful red, gray and white fabric plaid that you see, that is called the bandana. And that is known as the Jamaican national dress, right? So it's the bandana. So when we go away and we remember Miss Olivia Carter, remember her spectacular performance and her beautiful dress, we'll remember that it's the
Bandana.
Share out the live, share out the live, share out the live.
a very, very important cultural staple, bandana. Okay, so we're gonna move some more, you know, we're gonna rock and groove some more. So we got some Jamaican sounds. So we're gonna take it over to the steel pan. And you know, I love the steel pan. It's something that you just hear it and you have to move, right? It just transports you to a different place, right? So we're gonna invite our steel panists, rhythm sounds. Did I get that right?
Rhythm station.
Rhythm station. Yes, correct me please. Rhythm station. So we're gonna have them take it away. And I don't want to see you guys sitting down and just watching, you know, because as I said, we're here to celebrate. We're here to enjoy ourselves, right? And it's a Sunday. It's a nice sunny Sunday afternoon. The weather is beautiful. So we're all gonna enjoy ourselves and move and dance and enjoy the sweet, sweet sounds of steel pan from Trinidad and Tobago.
Kick it off, kick it off.
The Rhythm Station. What's the station?
The Rhythm Station.